If you know you should be posting more, but staying consistent feels very hard or exhausting, there's a reason for that. Most people don't struggle with consistency because they're lazy. They struggle because they're trying to show up in a way that doesn't fit them. This happens to a lot of business owners and creators who genuinely want to show up online but feel pressure to do it the right way. When I first started posting consistently, I told myself I had to show up everywhere and say everything. I thought consistency meant posting all the time on every single platform with new ideas every single day. And that got very overwhelming very fast. Some days I didn't know what to say. Some days I felt tired before I even started. And some days I skipped posting because it felt like too much altogether. I wasn't avoiding consistency. I was really avoiding the burnout. That's when I realized something very important. Consistency feels hard when showing up feels very heavy, when there's a lot of pressure. If every post feels like you're starting from scratch, your brain pushes everything back. It looks for reasons to try to stop because it's trying to protect your energy, right? It's trying to protect you from getting overwhelmed or being tired. So consistency isn't about doing more. It's about making sure that you're showing up a lot easier. Once I stopped trying to be everywhere, all at once, and I focused on one place and one message, things started to change. I gave myself permission to repeat ideas, and I talked about what I was already learning. And I stopped trying to sound very perfect and polished. Showing up started feeling a lot lighter because it made a lot more sense. I wasn't forcing myself anymore. I was actually building a rhythm I could actually keep up over time. Consistency works when you remove all that pressure. You don't need new ideas every day. You don't need to post in every single format on every single platform. And you don't need to impress anyone. All you need is a simple plan that you can repeat over and over again. When showing up fits into your life instead of fighting against your life, consistency becomes very natural. So if consistency feels hard, simplify how you show up. Make it easier to start and you'll show up more often because the pressure is off and it makes it easier for you to show up. So if you're working on showing up online in a way that feels sustainable, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. All right, friend, I appreciate your support and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.